Hey everybody, I'm here with hubby and we are down at the pond. Take a look at that. He's got the tractor hooked up and we are working on the dock. We're going to adjust some things and so let's go take a look. Come along with us. Okay, so hubby's going to fall. No, just kidding. So we're here at the dock, obviously, and he's already prepped this, but I asked him to wait to when he started using the tractor. Oh, there's water in there, babe.
No, I dumped it in there.
Oh, is that what you're talking about? Soften up the dirt, okay.
Yeah, so it pulls.
So we are going to square this back up. Is that what we're doing? Pulling it?
Yep.
And he's got it hooked up. Come along to the tractor. Okay, I'm going to step back over here on the dam. That's what everything looks like. And I'm going to record from a distance then so I can get the whole view, okay?
Moving.
Is it moving?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll zoom in. Oh, it's hard on my feet. I'm not standing in a good spot. Oh yeah, I saw that.
Now, I'm going to put the screwdriver in there.
So you're putting gravel in the hole to help support it. Try to keep it where it belongs. Molly's here to make sure you're doing a good job.
That's actually
Make sure it's level.
going easier than I thought.
That's always a good thing. What are you eyeing up over there?
Move that other post.
Okay,
I don't want to put too much pressure on that one.
okay. Oof,
Chain slip.
chain slipped, okay.
Molly, check it out.
She's a looking.
I wonder.
So this one's the worst one out of the two of them.
Yeah, I'm going to have to.
So hubby was just telling me a story. He was wishing that these pipes were 6 inch instead of 4 inch, a little bit bigger like this one. And they formed these, the cement, out of their cousin's swimming pool. And, you know, the cousins are older than them and they got it passed down to them. And then they just kept the outside metal corrugated part from years and eons ago. And here we are, you know, 30 years away from the point of when this was made. And how many years before that? Well, now it's moving, huh? And so they always keep things and put it to good use later. Molly, are you in a danger zone?
Molly is not in the danger zone.
Molly, you in danger, dear. How's that go? Molly, you're in trouble, honey? How's that go on that movie? Everybody knows what movie I'm talking about.
I have no idea what movie you're talking
You don't know? Oh, okay. All you ladies out there, if you know what movie I'm talking about, put that line in there, because I know I'm not saying it right. Molly, you're in trouble, dear. No, you're in danger, dear. I think that's how it goes. That's all right. I'll make you watch it with me.
No? I'm gonna. Molly's got,
Molly, are you following him? If he falls in the pond, don't you fall in the pond.
she's got triangles on her between her eyes.
The frogs were jumping in as he was going down. He's eyeing up his handiwork over here. Oh gosh, I'm gonna lose my balance and fall in.
That is almost
Are we level? All right, plum. Okay, plum's the word I want.
Yeah.
It's the official word.
Well, that's cool too.
All right, so now all we have to do is fill it in.
Well, I gotta come over to this side, or maybe tweak this side a little bit more. I got that old engine oil pumpkin. I put some oil in there. Stick that up. Brought my handsaw over. I said, I need like a dam here. So I sawed some branches. Made like a coffer dam. Is that what that's called?
A what?
What the Oak Island dudes do? They made that coffer dam.
I don't know.
Back the swamp.
I saw you had them in there, and the bigger one over there on the other side.
Yeah, that's a neat one. It's just to hold the gravel from going clear around the front. I don't want it to go around the front.
Oh.
I'll just keep them in there too.
Oh, Sammy's over here joining us. Hi, kitty kitty.
Sammy.
Sammy
Fluff
too.
Pants.
How are we on the plumness?
We got about 3/16 to go yet.
Oh, okay, baby. Let's do it. Let's do it to it. We're getting to the 3/16.
Actually, moving better than I thought it would. Huh?
Can you do that again? Is that it? Did you do it?
That's plum right there.
Woohoo! Ding, ding, ding. Winner, winner. All right, how about the other side? What we got to do on the other side?
That's gotta go. Well, that's pretty good. That's perfect right there.
Okay.
But this one is leaning a little bit this way. Oh, if I'm gonna mess with it. If
So what direction do you have to pull the other one?
I gotta. Well, see, that's just it. I could, if I feel like it, I guess I could pull it this way some, but this one's already plumb over here. You know, they're connected and all that already.
Yeah. Okay.
Unless I unscrew these. It probably never was
Plum.
exactly plumb.
Will your footboards go on top of it easy enough if you leave it the way that it is? The walking boards?
Oh, it's 6 foot,
Okay. Won't throw everything off too much if it's off by
See, that's just it. If I
16ths of an
pull
inch.
This one, it's going to be a fuzz more than
A fuzz.
a little bit over 6 foot.
Yeah.
But this one, I'm surprised that thing is right on. Of course,
So it's a dilemma. Do we move that one or not? It's off that much. Okay. What do you do? What do you do,
and
huh?
This is plumb right now the way it's sitting. If I let off of it, it'll go back.
Right. Yeah, you don't want to do that until it's set, right? Put more
Well,
rocks in there.
Yeah, they're settled down and the rocks will help it. I could move the tractor
Molly,
that
what's
way
wrong?
and pull it some that way.
Yeah. So what do you think about that cross space? I think there's tension on it, huh? From pulling?
Yeah,
Putting it in a bind?
That's why this side's pulling too.
Yeah.
Those screws out there, Daddy, that's what I was telling you. I could get the paddle boat
Oh, yeah?
out there. Those are the ones.
Okay. On the other side? Or coming up from the bottom?
Coming up from the bottom. And I'm going to just replace them.
Okay.
Works good.
All right. We all want to see that too on video, right? On film.
We do?
Yeah, we want to see you standing in the paddle boat. That way if you fall in,
No, I don't have to stand on it.
maybe that video will go viral, maybe, you think? Are you going to stand on the seat? Huh?
Yeah, I can sit.
Oh, you can sit on the paddle boat and do that, you think? Oh. Maxing and relaxing while you're working hard?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Molly.
Let's go. You gross.
You got to edit that out.
No, I'm going to leave it in.
Now, I should.
It's not me.
Put this on.
So are you loosening that?
It's going back.
Uh-oh. Is that what you want?
Well, I mean, I knew it would. I mean, there's a lot of tension on it. It went back some.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
Not enough. So let's see how far it went back.
Not too far.
Not too far, so it's still in the okay position.
It went back
A fuzz?
about a fuzz. Not even 3/16.
Not even 3/16. Okay. All right. Gonna readjust the tractor to pull it at a different angle, he said. He has asked me if I wanted to do it, and I was like, no, we just spent a lot of money trying to get that tractor fixed. I don't need to end up dumping it and myself in the pond. Oh, that looks really steep and on a slant. Hi, Molly. Yeah, no. Okay, so hubby cranked on it some more from this angle. I was deleting some video and film from my phone so I'd have more storage. And he says it's just right, and if he lets off on it, it'll probably be perfect. So let's check it again. What's the verdict?
Well, it didn't settle back as much as I thought it would. It's still too far that direction. I'll pull it there. Yeah, that can, if I pull it that way again.
And we're going to readjust the tractor again. Aiming for those rocks in that mud pile where he had it before. Let's see how good he is. Wow, that's pretty darn good. He did it. Ding ding. Wow. You did it. Good job.
I knew I could do it.
Molly, where are you going? She was in that loose dirt and kind of sliding a little bit.
Well, it settled back to kind of where it was.
If you go in the pond, Molly, that means you get a bath. Automatic bath is what that means.
Well, she's not getting a chassis bath right now anyway.
Probably. She'll be dusty, dirty. You can give her an undercoat bath. Yeah, chassis bath.
Yeah, pulled. It leaned back. It pulled back, settled back this way.
Okay.
That's close to where it was before, but this stayed pretty good. I'm gonna pull it this way and then get on that side again.
Okay. Well, thanks for explaining all this to us, dear. Tractor moved. Your tractor's moving. The tractor's moving quite a bit. Enough to have me concerned. Yeah, you're pulling the tractor.
I'm pulling it up
Whew, that had me nervous. I'm gonna pull
here.
the
It just had to
tractor.
settle in.
Ugh. I don't need you to pull the tractor on top of you on your vacation. End up in the hospital. I guess that's one way to extend your vacation, though.
So if it sits that way, now if I back off of it, it's that way a little bit too far. But of course, if I back off of it, it should be pretty good. Then I got to get back over this side again because it's.
Oof. That was the neighbors.
Okay, now this time, Beaner, you can move it.
So are you hoping to pull that back now a different direction to make it more plumb?
Well, it needs to go back some more, yeah.
Back some more.
Settled in.
Settled in, so you gotta go back some more. Okay.
Not very far, though.
Not very far. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Pulling crooked. Readjust. Okay, we're going to readjust this. We'll come back to. So anyway, so hubby's just fine-tuning the adjustments. Some of you guys will like this video. I know some of you won't. But those of you that live in this big city high-rises might enjoy this. So we'll get this perfectly in touch, and we'll check back in later.